All right, here we are today at Coldwater. It's just start of April right here. It started off raining down in Castle Rock and Kelso, so we came up Coldwater. It's nice and clear up here. And hey, we got in a good 2-3 hours of piling up here. And it's like I said, just nice and clear. And then we got some like overcast, but man, some great views. And got to see some wildlife up here, the geese, the eagles. And now we're starting to get like a little bit of rain shower right here coming in, but you never know these afternoon winds. Sometimes you get the wind, sometimes you don't. But you just gotta take every day for what it is and just enjoy it out here. I mean, this is a little rain coming down, but we're dressed for the occasion. You know, we're even dressed for snow right now if it starts snowing on us. But yeah, so the beginning of April right here. Plenty of snow up here still. Beautiful day out here. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here, but yeah, got the old 80-line sandpiper out here. But yeah, there's a little bit of rain coming down, and we're just heading back to the boat launch and call it a day. Head back in Castle Rock, get some burgers here in a few minutes. But yeah, enjoy it. Enjoy a trip out to Coldwater Lake, Mount St. Helens. See ya.